Hello everyone. How was the first day of 2024? The market was pretty much range bound as we discussed yesterday, right? Uh, all in all, I think not a good day for option buyers. Uh, as I mentioned, uh, I'll be interested in going ahead and trading only after the yesterday's highs were broken, which didn't happen today. And I think, but now we have a scope for downside trade, right? So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, let's see. But before that, before we proceed, all there's a disclaimer. All views expressed in this video are for learning purpose only, and in no way must be considered as a trade or investment recommendation. The purpose of this video is not to influence any buy or sell decisions. Trading and investing in stock markets is risky. Even mutual funds, for that matter, mention subject to market risk and do not guarantee returns. So, uh, viewer discretion is highly appreciated. Uh, any trading or investing decision must be taken after consultation with your financial advisor. And I, Rahul Pai, will not be responsible for anyone's profit or loss in whatsoever manner. All right, so let's get started. And okay, um, all right. So currently, what I'm sharing is the Bank Nifty screen, which is a spot chart for 15-minute time frame. As you can see, we had marked. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, so daily chart for Bank Nifty. As you can see, the highs and lows almost are the same as of yesterday. Uh, Today's low is little lower than yesterday's low, but all in all, I think it was an even movement. For Bank Nifty, I'd be interested to trade on the upside after it crosses this 48,636 levels. Uh, in between right now, I mean, these two seem to be consolidation candles, and uh, today's close is lower um, than yesterday's close, and we have uh, back-to-back lower high, lower lows formation. This is not exactly lower high as compared to previous one, but we still have lower low, and these three kind of signify that it's a lower high, lower low formation after a continuous uptrend. So I would be expecting more downside to this, maybe to the levels of 47,844 first, and then to this level, um, uh, like 47,333. Uh, as you can see here, I've marked this. This is for the budget day. So I somehow feel that there would be a range-bound session till the time uh, we reach budget, and after that it may be a downfall, a sharp downfall, or a sharp up move. Um, Depending on what the budget has in store for us. It's still a long way to go, 1 month, but let's look at the 15-minute time frame chart to see how we can trade tomorrow if we have to. Okay. Yeah. So, uh, so as we can see here, uh, yesterday's highs were not broken today, though I think they were touched, but I think yesterday's highs were definitely not broken. This one. And this was today's, right? So this was yesterday's high. This level looks little weaker. So if the if we have a gap up opening, or if the market uh, trades above this particular level and sustains above it, then I think we definitely have a good up move there. But right now, looking at the pure price action, I somehow feel that we are looking at some more downside, at least in levels 47,844, and which may happen tomorrow. And on the expiry, we might just touch this 47,422 and lower levels. The reason I say lower levels than 47,442 is because, as we can see on this 15-minute time frame, this level has been tested multiple times. So uh, it is less likely possible that it will hold uh, this. I mean, it will hold strong. So I expect a breakdown from there as well. So unless we have some good news and gap up openings, I think we are in for some down move right now. Uh, that's how we can trade. So again, like today, I would be not in, I would not be interested to trade between these levels of 48,636 and today's low 48,444. I think that was, yeah, 48,444. And once we cross 48,444 levels, we have the 48,000 level, which I think might get easily broken down. Uh, Looking at the um, option chain data, I think 48,000 is having some support, but it's not uh, very strong support. So that might get broken down, and yeah, we may see some lower levels of 47,844. So 47,844 according to me is my first, would be my first target if it crosses 44,44, 48,44, and then the lower levels of 47,500 may be seen. Uh, Moving to Nifty. Nifty closed few points above yesterday's close, I think. Let's look at the daily chart first. Yeah. So as you can see on the daily time frame, yesterday's close was here, and yesterday's close was 21,731. Today's close is 21,741. So roughly 10 point something points. Uh, what you can say? Uh, Increase or growth. So closed above yesterday's close by some 10 points. However, it still seems to be a range that is not very convincing for buyers, option buyers. Uh, Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I still expect some. I mean, if it's going to be an interesting day tomorrow, because last 3 days, if you see, we have almost touched 21,677 levels all the 3 days, right? So it is trying to hold that level, which again I think is very weak. And tomorrow, if uh, the market opens flat or it opens gap down and then uh, breaks down this level 21,677, then there's a good chance that it will go down to the next level of 21,588, where it might see some uh, bounce back, and depending on the option chain data at that time, and depending on uh, tomorrow's close, we may see uh, either a further downward move on expiry, or a little consolidation at expiry. So tomorrow's day is going to be an interesting one. I don't think tomorrow we may see a up move. Uh, we have this level 21,801, which has been 21,801 and 21,834. So 21,834, I think, was today's high. 21,801 was yesterday's, sorry, day before yesterday's high. So that day before yesterday's high was taken out, but the sharp selling that came at the end of the uh, hour, I think that brought down Nifty to this level, and now the sellers seem to be strong. So tomorrow, if in case the market opens flat and breaks down 21,677, then we'll see a quick move of roughly 77 to 87 points here, and then further down move. So all in all, I think both the Nifty and Bank Nifty are signaling weakness. So there might be downside move. Let me quickly go through. the 15-minute chart. Again, if someone had to take a short trade here, that would have been very good trade for option buyer. However, these trades are very less likely. Uh, I mean, today's was a range bound movement, right? So even if at any point of time, if you have purchased here or here, by the time it goes here, the premium due to time decays well, is going to not show much of a difference to the profit. So um, and this after breaking I mean the before yesterday's high, after sustaining there one candle, 50 minute one candle completed above it, then sustaining another 50-minute candle, and then this reversal. I mean, it's uh, it's very difficult for any option buyer to short it here. I think many of the option buyers might have got trapped because this signaled bullishness um, in the last hour, in the last 30 minutes or so. This is ridiculous. I mean, uh, hardly anyone can uh, trade this, right? But if anyone has done it, great. Uh, as you can see, this level, as I was saying, 21,607 has been tested multiple times. So you can see here, it has been tested once, twice, thrice. This is almost four, and this is fifth. Almost 5 times this has been traded, and I think if this breaks this clear, uh, there is no support till 21,588 followed by this gap. So I think it may come on to fill this gap. 21, 460, 5, 460, 495, 460 to 495. So roughly another 80, 90 points, right? So I think both Nifty and Bank Nifty are signaling weakness. Uh, if the market opens in between the levels which are shown today, I will not be interested to trade. I'd be more interested to go with the sell side trade because of the price action, and I'm also uh, looking at the daily chart, right? We see here this rally of 2971 to almost 21,834. That's almost 900 points rally. Uh, Without any retracement or without any uh, consolidation. So I'm pretty sure that there is some retracement pending. Uh, might come up to these levels, like 21,450 in the coming weeks. Right. So yeah, that's the analysis for tomorrow. That is 2nd Jan 2024. And just before we wrap up, again a disclaimer: trading and investing in stock markets is risky. Um, so always do it with the money which you can afford to lose, and always consult your financial advisor before any financial decisions. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and comment on the video if you like it. And thanks. Thanks.